Hi guys, welcome to our channel Market Magics. In this video, we are going to see the stocks which can be accumulated at this time on the auspicious day of Diwali. There is a Muhurat trading of on Diwali day, on the Lakshmi Pujan day at the evening time. So on that day, many people are willing to buy some stocks which can be held for a year in the Muhurat time. So the stocks which can be purchased on that day, that we will be seeing now, in which stock we can invest for the at least a year. We will be seeing that stocks. As of now, on the current situation, some of the stocks I have sorted which can be purchased and hold it for a long term. Long term means more than 6 months or a year also. So in this, I have selected the first stock, that is a PAIL. PAIL means which is that company. We will see it in the fundamentals of that particular company. We are seeing it directly on the live charts only. So I'm not making any animation or any slides. Whatever the things are there that are in front of you, there is no animation or graphics in that. So the PAIL is nothing but the Piramal Enterprises Limited. It's a large cap company. Its market cap is of 62,000 crores. Then its year on year return is 107%. Current rate of that particular PAIL stock is going on 2700, and it has some potential to go up as the company is performing nicely. Its CAGR is 13.3%. Year on year return is 107%. It means it can give you the returns of more than 100% in a year. So what this company does, we will see it. Piramal Enterprises Limited is engaged in the business of pharmaceuticals, including research and development, financial services, and information management through its subsidiaries. Also, it means this company is having the other subsidiaries which are working the financial and information management also. It means this is a large cap company, a very big unit. They are working so nicely. If some more details you want, we can see the more details. See this sector P is 20.7. We can see its P ratio also on this website, that is ticker tape. When you click on the button of see more details, you will be directed to the ticker tape website, and there you can see the financial details of that particular stock of particular company, from which you can decide whether to invest in the company or not. Now see, it is having a dividend yield of more than 1.2%, means the company provides the dividend also. Its PE ratio is 46.60 and sector PE ratio is 28.76 ratio. That means it is a little bit expensive stock, then also it always performs. That's why I'm suggesting this is in my list for the long-term investments. The analysts are also positive on this. 80% of the analysts are positive on this stock to be bought. And other financials also we can see on this website only, the financials about this company. We can see over here financial, then the pair companies, then the holdings, promoter holdings, all this can be seen on this website. You can see it. It's a large company having the capital of 62,000 crores. Okay, but according to the chart, what the charts are saying as of now today, according to that only we have chosen it for the buying purpose on this auspicious day of Diwali. Right, now we will see how we have selected this stock for the at the moment for buying. Now we will see it on the large screen why we have selected this stock. So as of now we can see now, this is a chart of a daily time frame. We are seeing that how the behavior of the particular stock is. See, this is behavior of the particular stock. We can see it, a stock gets consolidated, right? This is a consolidation, right? Then again it moves then again it gives a little bit consolidation, some pattern like a pole or flat pattern, and again it moves, then again gives the consolidation, again retraces, then again moves, again retraces, again moves, again now it has retraced, and it is now trading above the retracement level, means about broken the trend, and it is trading above the retracement level. See this trend line, it has formed a trend line for the several days, and here there was a heavy selling, then again a little bit accumulation but did not sustain, then again there was a selling, but the selling was not with the pressure, there was no energy in the selling, no strength in the selling, the candles become weaker, and weaker, and at the bottom it has formed a base over here, and it has started trading above that level. Now it is trading on the 2700 level, it can be bought immediately on this level only. Somehow it will take time to go up from here, as it is trading in the CPR of the daily CPR. As soon as it breaks this CPR, it will go faster. I'm suggesting it to take for the longer term, not for the short term. It will eventually give you nice profit. Okay, so now let's see the next stock, that is the PVR. As of now, we will note that all the theaters are open and the movies in the theater are allowed to be seen. Now day by day their income and their margins will be increasing. In that case they will also increase their profits, and as their profits will increase day by day, the stock price will also increase. On the chart we can see that it is trading above the daily CPR. This is a daily chart, it's trading above it has given the closing above the CPR after a retracement. See this, there was a sell off here you can see the sell off, right? Here there was a sell off, right? Again there was a buying, again sellers tried, but sellers were unable to bring the market below the swing, right? And now it has started trading, started making higher highs and lower lows. So eventually it will go up only after breaking this level. After breaking this level, it will eventually go fast, it will move fast upside only. It's ready for the breakout now, right? And up till where it can go up to its all-time high also, 2000 levels, where you can book your profits. Okay, now if you want to see the fundamentals of this particular PVR company, what it does, we can go in the fundamentals on the chart. It's available on the Zerodha platform itself, from where it will direct you to the different websites wherever you click. If you want to see the more details, you can see the more details by clicking this button. Okay, now see this 1 month return is 8.5%, because in the last month only government decided to open the theaters and all that. The year-on-year rate return is 61%. That means the returns are very nice. Then other things, the market capital is of 10,000 crore, and it is a small cap company. It deals in PVR Limited, is engaged in the business of the film exhibition and distribution, and all earns revenue from in the house advertisement, bowling and gaming alley, and restaurant business also. They are having the multiple businesses, so it will definitely grow. This company will definitely grow. As of now, it is trading above the CPR level, and this CPR, daily CPR, is a very narrow CPR that shows that it is going to be trending. In the previous days also, if you see, if the CPR is narrow, in this situation it trends above. After a consolidation, it trends above. Now the next stock is the Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital is under correction now. It has corrected a lot from its top. This was very nice stock. Actually, I decided to buy it at the levels of 3120. From there it moved to 5000, means within few days. See, on that day it was trading in the June month, it was trading around 3000 levels, and now in the month of October, it it has almost touched the 5,000, means 2,000 rupees profit you would have gained in this. Now eventually this stock also can be bought at this level, as it is corrected from 5,200 near about to 3,916. It has corrected a lot. From here it will again start moving upward. Apollo Hospital, everyone knows what Apollo Hospital is, how they are working. It's a large cap company, it's a large cap stock. 62,000 is the capital market cap of this particular company. Then this CAGR is more than 13. Look at the returns on year, it's more than 100%. No one will give you 100% returns anywhere, even if you put all the money in the FDs or post or any other venture. No one will give you the 100% returns. This Apollo Hospitals Enterprises Limited is a healthcare provider. The company is engaged in offering healthcare services and operating standalone pharmacies. Okay, for more details you can press this button, see the detailed info. If you understand the financial terms and conditions, you can see on the Decatep website. Okay, now the next stock is the SRT Transport Finance, means the Shriram Transport Finance. Actually in the morning only I sorted this stock for the Muhurat trading, and today itself it has ran more than 10%. Now why I have selected this stock? See this, it is on the breakout level. It is giving the closing above the breakout. See this, it has given the closing above the breakout after a channel formation. It has given a closing above this breakout. See this, it has broken from this channel. There was a lot of consolidation over here. See this, if you see this box, it has exited the box now, and it has started trading upside. Okay, see this, if you see this, it has started trading above this box, and eventually when it breaks this some channel, the stock, any stock speeds up. Okay, on the day trading it is now given the closing above the box also. So it's a very nice stock to be taken or to be accumulated on this Muhurat trading. Now the next stock is IRCTC. In IRCTC you can wait for some more time, but it's time to accumulate actually, but it will consolidate over here for a few more days. It will spend time in this range only for 5 more days, and then it will start moving upward. If you take this IRCTC stock now itself, you will not get the result immediately when you take an entry. It may take some time, but it will go eventually upside only. If you want, you can accumulate it now itself, or you can accumulate it later. So now the next stock is Escorts. Escorts is an automobile company, you know that. It's a large cap company. Let's see the fundamentals of this Escorts. We will go a little bit fast because the video size will become very large. Fundamentals we can see about the Escorts. Its return is also more than 28%, then 5% in a month. For the short term you can get this stock. It's a mid cap stock. Its market capital is 20,000 crore. If you want, CAGR is nice, 24.36%. That's why if you want to buy, you can keep it in your portfolio. If you don't want, don't. But it gives nice returns. See this movement in the stock, how it moves after the consolidation, after the breakout, and it is at the breakout level. This stock is also nice. Then the next stock is the Grasim. Now what this Grasim does, let's see in the fundamentals. Grasim Industries Limited is a holding company. The company segments include viscose staple fiber and wood, pulp, cement, chemicals, and textiles also. So Grasim is they are having multiple units and they are doing the multiple works. So it's a large cap company having the capital of more than 1,17,000 crores. CAGR is 23.35%. Then year-on-year return is 130%. It's huge. It can give you huge returns. So you can take this stock also. It is trading at the upper levels. Now see, as per the technicals, it is trading at the upper level. It has consolidated, formed a box. See this. See the behavior of the stock, how it moves up. Can you see it? And now at the moment it has formed a consolidation over here, and it has this is a retracement, and again from here it will move up. After this consolidation, this is just the retracement. You can accumulate the stock. It will give you nice returns. You can hold it for the long term, more than 6 months also you can hold it. It will give you nice returns. Okay, now the next stock is LT. This stock is a very nice stock at the moment. You can accumulate it at the rate of now. As of now, it is trading above the CPR levels, daily CPR levels. After consolidation, it has started moving down. It's at the very nice level. It is at the bottom, so we can accumulate this stock also. And L&T, who doesn't know the L&T? L&T is Larsen and Toubro Limited. They are having multiple businesses. Larsen and Toubro Limited is a technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services company. As of we know, we can see more financial details. Actually, this company doesn't need to see the financial details also. It is a very large cap company. 2,52,000 crores is the market capital. CAGR is 23.35%, and year return is near about 100%. So we can expect a nice return from this company also. That is LT. See the behavior of this particular stock, how it moves. See, and now it is at the bottom and trying to move up only. Okay, now the next stock is Phoenix Limited. Actually, Phoenix Limited, as of now on the chart we can see the upside pressure, but it has taken the breakout from the trend line. See this, and this stock behaves like this only, up down. There are a lot of wicks we can see. You can see a lot of huge size wicks in the previous chart also. Huge size wicks, but not to worry about that. Now it has taken a breakout from the level. See this, it has taken a breakout. We can see it's a daily chart, so we can consider it as, see this, it has taken a breakout from the channel, and now it is a retracement. We can consider this pressure as a retracement, so it can be accumulated here somewhere at the near about 1000 levels. We can get nice returns. See this, it has taken a breakout from this level also. See this, so you can accumulate this stock also, Phoenix Limited. Now what this Phoenix Limited does, we can see it in the fundamentals of that particular stock. You can check the fundamentals of that particular stock. On this I am checking it in the Zerodha itself. If you want to check, if you can check on the different website, Money Control is there, Ticker Tape is there, then investing.com is there, then trading.com is there. On the different website you can check for the details also here, but the Zerodha has provided the direct link of Ticker Tape. See detail info, this button can be pressed. You can see the details of this company. Now the CAGR is 27.97%. The market cap is of 16,000 crores. Now the Phoenix Mills Limited is a realty company. The company portfolio includes over 4 types of developments such as retail, commercial, residential and hospitality at Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Lucknow, Bareilly and Agra. It can give you 60% returns year on year. It's a good company and it can be accumulated as per the technical charts. Okay, now it is showing the strength also. Accumulation is there. you can accumulate the stock. Now next company is the Bharat Forge. Next stock is Bharat Forge, and Bharat Forge, I have selected this. It is trading above the CPR, good accumulation, good heavy strong candle. This is just a retracement. From here it will start moving upwards. Now at the current level it can be bought, but I think each and everyone should trade. Everyone should accumulate the stocks with the proper stop loss. You should place the stop losses. If suddenly there is a market crash or something happens over the night, then you will not lose your whole capital. You will lose only wherever you have place the stop loss. Gains are there in the market, no doubt in that, and market is made to go up only. But if suddenly something happens, something goes wrong globally or environmentally, the market may crash or come down. So I'm making you aware, not making you afraid of the market. So now the next stock is, we have not seen what does the Bharat Forge do, what this company is all about concern. The Bharat Forge Limited is engaged in the business of the steel forging, finished machines, crankshafts, and the front axle assembly and companies. The company's segment include forging and projects capital good. It is providing the material to the auto sectors and all that things. Means heavy duty vehicles are there. It is providing that auto sector material to that particular companies. Means Tata, Mahindra, and all that. He may be vendor of that. This company may be vendor of that particular companies. Okay, and it can give you returns year on year. Last year it has given 75% returns. Means this year also we can expect the same. And now it has consolidated, and now it is ready to move up. Now at the last but not the least, that is the Coforge. Coforge, what this company does. Let's see what this company does actually. The Coforge, the Coforge we will see. Coforge Limited is an information technology company, an IT company. The company is engaged in providing computer programming consultancy and related activities. Okay, it's a mid-cap company having the market capital of 30,000 crores. Its year-on-year return is near about 130%. CAGR is 29.98%. And if you want to see more details about the company, about the dividend yield, see this. See details info. You can find the details about this company. See detail info. We can find the details about this company on the TickerTip website. So already I have seen all the things, and then only I have taken this suggested these particular stocks for this Diwali auspicious Mohra trading accumulation. So you can accumulate the stocks very easily by seeing this video and by studying more details about these companies, and you can accumulate and gain some profits within short term. So out of this, only IRCT is there, which you can wait and watch, or you can accumulate, but immediately it will not move. And then there is the Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital may also take 1 or 2 days or a week to start moving upwards. So these two stocks you can eventually buy after 1 or 2 days also. Apollo Hospitals can be bought now itself, but IRCTC, if you buy it now itself, it will not move immediately. It may take some time, but it will definitely give you the profit in a year or so. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and happy trading, happy investment. Invest it for the long time, and investors only earn money from this stock market. The traders actually struggles a lot to earn money from the market. Investors make money. So invest and stay hold it for the long time, and book your profits time to time. Thank you very much.